Hello everyone. Today we have a job update from Infor and it is a software engineer associate role. And the job location is Hyderabad. And if you scroll down and look at what is the responsibility of this role, you will be assisting in the development of the new features for the RPA product. And then you will write a clean, efficient, and then a well documented code in the line with the team standard, and you will be working on the debugging and fixing the software defects, and then you will collaborate with the senior engineers to troubleshoot and resolve the technical issue. You will work closely with the cross-functional team including the senior engineers, QA engineers, and BAs, that is business analyst, to help and implement the product features to address the technical challenges. Then you will participate in the code reviews to learn the best practices, improve coding skills, and maintain the high quality standards. Then you will assist in writing and executing the unit test, integration test, and regression test to ensure code quality and product stability. So then you will contribute to the creation and maintenance of the technical documentation and user guides related to the code changes and product features. Then you will be doing the continuous learning for new programming languages, technologies, and development practices. Also, you will seek for opportunities to improve the technical knowledge through training, self study, and mentorship. If you look into the education and experience that is required for this role, you need to have a bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, or a related field. You need to have done an undergraduate in computer science or engineering or a related field. That means BSc, BE, or B.Tech, and which actually has the specialization in computer science or engineering or related field. And then you need to have a 0 to 3 years of professional experience in software development and ideally in a technical support or an engineer role. So if you have experience, you need to have experience in software development and ideally in a technical support or engineering role. Then they are asking for few skills that is required for this role. That is, you should be familiar with the programming languages such as Python, Java, C Sharp, or similar. Then you need to have a basic understanding of software development methodologies and version control systems such as Git. And you need to have the exposure to working with the cloud platforms such as AWS or RESTful APIs, and it will be a big plus for you. You need to have exposure to working with the cloud platform like AWS or RESTful APIs, it will be a big plus for you. Then you should have familiar with the databases and SQL queries, and it will be a advantage for you. Then you need to have a strong analytical and problem solving skill with a proactive approach to troubleshooting. Then you need to have a ability to work effectively with the team environment and also a good interpersonal skill. Then you need to have a good written and communication skill with the ability to document technical information clearly. You need to have the willingness to learn quickly in a fast paced environment, and you need to adapt to the changing priorities. So these are the things that you need to have as a required skills here. You need to actually add these keywords and skills according to this job role. They will be looking for a right candidate with the right skills, which is their requirement, right? So you will need to add Python, Java, C Sharp, and then Git, and then AWS or RESTful APIs, SQL, and soft skills such like problem solving skills, working effectively with the team environment, good interpersonal skills, and have a good written and verbal communication skill, and you have a ability to document technical information clearly. These are the things that you can actually add it in your resume that can actually help you to get this job. And also they are asking for some preferred skills that is not mandatory, but if you have it, it will be a big plus for you. You will have an advantage while applying for this role. You need to have any internship or academic project or personal project related to RPA or automation, and it will be a big plus for you. Then you need to have exposure to RPA tools and technologies like UiPath, Blue Prism, automation anywhere, and it is beneficial. But then you need to have a strong team oriented attitude, and you should have the willingness to ask questions and seek guidance, and a drive to continuously improve in this role. So these are the things that is actually mentioned in this role. Don't forget to add the key skills in your resume. Add only those things that you actually know. Don't add everything in your resume and get stuck in the HR or TR round. So then, if you have any other doubts, please let us know in the comment section. And also, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends.